peel it off to see what it looks like. You gotta watch the whole video to get the rest of it. Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. If this is your first time here, I do project videos using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if you like those type of videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. Banger. Welcome to the project. Okay, I got this idea. I want to try and score a design or some type of artwork onto some clear acrylic and use some paint pens to color it in. Because I don't know how to paint really, and I don't know how to draw, but I think this would be a really good project. Okay, this is where I found the design from. This website called Designs by Amara. I think I'm saying it right. I don't know. But this is where I found the design from. This is not sponsored or anything, just something I came across. Okay, once you get the design all downloaded, if you zoom in, it has some little speckles right here. So we're basically gonna clean that up. So I'm just gonna select the whole entire design and we're gonna go right here to the outline. We're gonna put a hairline around everything and we're going to unfill it so we can see the speckles a little bit better. So let's zoom in, and as you can see the little speckles right here, so just select anywhere because it's all still grouped together. So we're going to select the design, we're going to go up here to ungroup, and then we're going to just select anything like one of these little speckles. It could be anywhere, just select it, go up here to object, and we're going to break curve apart, select out of the design. Then as you can see, we'll be able to select the individual little speckles to delete them. So you just gotta go through and start deleting the little speckles. It might be a faster way to do it, and this is the way that I do know how to do it. So just bear with it and go through the process and start just selecting all the little parts to clean it up. Unless you want them in there, then that's different. But I don't like them in there. It's gonna mess up the design to me. So I'm gonna go through this and we're gonna clean it up. Okay, now that we got it all cleaned up, as you can see, we zoom in, we got all the little speckles away. It is nice and clean. What we're gonna do next is I'm gonna put a contour around the whole entire design, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that real quick. So basically, we're just gonna make a new page. We're gonna go back over to this one. We're gonna select it. We're gonna make a copy of it, and we're gonna paste it on that page that we just created. So we're basically gonna select the whole entire design, do it black, go up here to bitmap, convert to bitmap, black and white. We're gonna do a quick trace. There we have it. So we're gonna go up here to object. We're gonna move that quick trace to the back. Select that one in the front, delete it. Go right here, hairline, unfill it, and we're gonna put a contour around it. So we're gonna go over here to the contour tool. Go right here, we're just gonna go about 2, and we're gonna go on the outside, which is this one right here, just like so. Select the contour that we just created, go up here to object, break contour apart. We're gonna take that inside, the inside outline right here, this inside one, we're gonna take that, we're gonna delete it, we're gonna change this to red, go up here, create a hairline, the outline. I don't know why I say hairline, but we're gonna go over here to RGB, just make it red or something, because the Glowforge can read it easily. Select that contour, go up here we're going to copy, go back over here to the one that we just made at first, and we're going to paste it. There, we're gonna have our contour around the entire design. So it's gonna cut the red line and we're going to score everything else. Also, when you get in Glowforge print, if you do something like this design, it's too big. So basically you gotta take this little thing up here and we're gonna move it sideways like so. So we're going to select the design and we're going to score it and mirror it on the back. So it's gonna score backwards. look at this right here. It's all right though, because this is the back. And I already got the layer of brown and black on there. So hopefully it don't shine through. But the show must go on. Okay, I've let it sit for some time. It's all dry. Low key, it looks really good. I ain't no painter or anything like that. It looks pretty good. So we're gonna flip it over just like so. And together, we're going to peel off this masking. So this is gonna be our first time together seeing what it looks like. Let's go. So I'm just basically gonna start from the top and just start peeling if I can get it going. Okay, there we go. This is all in real time. Gonna peel it off to see what it looks like. There we go. It's coming off. Okay. Okay. Looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. Okay. Oh, I forgot to peel off the outside layer, so let's peel this off. But yeah, I was thinking of putting this in a picture frame, something like that, probably like a 10 by 12. Also, what I'm thinking about is giving this away. So if you would like to win this, all you have to do to win is make sure that you're subscribed, like this video, and comment below one of these words that's in the hair right below, and you'll be in the drawing to win it. I'll announce it next week, who the winner is, and there you have it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else.
I can't stay. No, I always gotta go. Playing house, this ain't a home with my soul. On the road, I can't stay.